Today I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to be cooking this turkey breast in the oilless air fryer. It doesn't have any oil in it. It also is safer to use than a fryer, and it cooks outside, so you cannot use your oven as much because you have so much to do for holidays in the oven. First of all, you're going to put your turkey in the basket, legs down. I have a breast. You can put a turkey up to 16.5 pounds in this basket and cook it in there. So when I went ahead and seasoned it, I put my thermometer in here, and now I'm ready to go. First of all, I just get a disposable pan for the drippings, and I'm going to put that in the back. Okay, once I do that, then I'm going to turn on this slowly, and you bring this over to, and you turn the igniter on. And I can hear it going on in there. And I'm gonna let it warm up. So I'm just gonna put my turkey in. Remember that it's gonna feet down if you have a big turkey, and the turkey can be up to 16.5 pounds. So I'll go ahead and put that in. Now this is for, you can use this to crisp it up. And what this does is when you put it on there, the heat reflects off of this and it crisps up anything that you have in here. Usually use it for about 15 minutes, and I usually use it at the end. So this turkey, and anything you cook in here, it's usually 10 minutes per pound, but it all depends on how cold it is, how much it's blowing outside. So you're gonna have to make sure that you really continue to look at the temperature gauge, and then when your meat is done, you can go ahead and pull it out. It comes with this hanger thing here, so when you're ready to pull it out, you're gonna hook it up and you're gonna pull it out so you don't have to worry about the safety of it. So that's all it is. I'm gonna go ahead and start my timer. It's coming on up.
Now it's ready. The temperature is 165. I'm gonna go ahead and take the turkey out using this apparatus so I don't burn myself. Here's my turkey breast. It looks really good. It's beautifully brown because I put the lid on for about 15 minutes before it was ready to be done. As you can see here, I had to move it out of the wind just a little bit. It was taking a longer time than I thought to cook it because it was so windy outside. Next time I'm going to start with the non-windy area, and I think it would cook a lot faster. Now I'm going to take it inside and let it rest and give it a nice cut and see how juicy it is. It's beautifully browned. All the seasoning stayed on. Gorgeous. There we go. I just cut the turkey. There it is right there. Let's have a taste test. Go ahead, Dolan, take a taste test. See how it tastes.
Very good and very moist.
Is it?
Yeah, it's awesome. I can't wait to eat it.
Oh, good, thanks.